Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you this awesome custom truck that I have made with the pieces from set 10704, which we have recently got. And the main purpose is like a delivery truck or like for holding giant things. These levers are used to hold the things that they put on the truck. Just imagine that there's something on there for now. There's also one of these fresh windshields that I've gotten very recently. Then there's these telephone pieces. This telephone piece. There's also a telephone piece on the back, as you can see. For the front, I used this grill piece with some 1x1 round stud pieces to make these the headlights. And then I have some of these fresh new Lego elements from the set. And these yellows are really new. They're fresh, they're really nice. Then we got the back here, which is also new pieces. And I'm trying to utilize them in this build as well as possible. So I added these hammer pieces with a 2x2 slope piece with these 1x2s on the bottom, right here, just to separate the wheels. And I guess that's really it. And also I used this tile piece down here to separate the wheels from each other, just like I did for the garbage truck in that same set, just to make it look nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!